Good evening. This is John Akiola from Quinta, and I'll be doing a demo presentation on the site we built for Stand Up Nigeria. And this is also showing you what we can put online if our deal goes through. If you would like to work with us, we obviously are very ready to work with you. Okay, very briefly, I'll be showing you what we did on WordPress and a briefing of how the features go around and then how you can make use of them. I'll start with this. I built this on my system, so you'll be seeing a lot of it straight up from here. Okay, this is loading. Alright, and here we are. Stand Up Nigeria. Exactly, so this is it. I give you some seconds to take a look at this. Yeah, I know it's nice. Okay, and scrolling down a bit. Okay, this is some content we generated, just showing off some comedians, who they are, what we know, little story about these comedians and all. And yeah, right here we have a slider. It just shows okay, the arrow can predict the movement, and then we have videos that could also play. This is it was a video we just edited. The videos work. These are two other videos. Imagining they are, yeah, and these are links to other parts of the site. These are links to other parts of the site. And so moving on straight down to blog. Blog is actually what we looked at the first time. I only picked up its content and added it to the homepage, to make it more fleshy and all. So okay, yeah, this is our blog page. It's literally the same thing as the home. Okay, because we're just using demo content. And scrolling down, yes, and this is where we see stuff like countdown to Stand Up Nigeria, and then through this link people can buy tickets, or I'll be showing you the ticket feature later. This is a countdown timer, so in case you have an event and you want people to count down, you can view that. And then also we have, okay, this is another video slider. You can view multiple videos. These are sample videos and they're all working. Also right here we have also videos. People can download your videos straight up from your site, and you can even go full screen mode right here. And then we have an audio. It's actually a demo and this is a song and it's working. I'm playing it now.
We're gonna do this song.
Okay, it's
called You Waited.
Yeah, so you could put audio comedies, or radio plugin or something. So now moving on to comedy, what do we have here? Under comedy we have videos. There's also a functionality for people to post jokes and to also view jokes. So I'll be going through videos for the first. Let's see what that looks like. Actually, we had a lot of fun working through this, and it's just we were still in work mode. Otherwise, we'd have gotten a lot of more funny content to put on and all. But for now, we're still working with the little content we have, and we're hoping we'll be able to touch this side up a lot. So yeah, this is what the video section looks like, kind of like your YouTube kind of see one. These are videos. You can also use customized pictures for your videos. Okay, and then yeah, basically that's what it looks like. Let me go over to post a joke. What does this mean? Well, let's check it out and see what posting a joke looks like. Yeah, this feature is somewhat draggy. I really don't understand why, but we'll look into it. It's For some time it has been really draggy, and it's kind of one of those features that will engage your audience because people have the ability to post a joke and all and see how it works and all. But for the meantime, let me open a new tab for events. I'll open this in a new tab and we'll see how that plays out. So what do we have for events? While our other tab is still opening, we'll wait for the events tab to pop up. So this is just showing us what are the events Stand Up Nigeria is into. Stuff like entertainment, I mean stuff like Boxing Day, um, 1st of October, and the likes. So we just put up something as a sample content. Okay, never mind, this is working on a local server. You can see right here it has local host, so that's why we have a bit of a drag. It's working off of my system, which is not so very powerful at the moment, but it can get the job done. So that's why we have this draggy. But if I had access to very cool internet, we would have gotten this running up faster. Okay, so let me go back and check over here. Okay, my pages are not loaded yet. In the meantime, I will be back. Okay, alright, let's take, alright, finally we have it here. So this is what our events page look like. And we have Stand Up Nigeria October 1st, we have the Boxing Day and Alibaba spontaneity, you know, just one of those things. So let's move over to what happens with the tickets. Okay, tickets. Over here, tickets, people are able to order for, there are regular tickets for your events. Okay, this is our shop, a small shopping cart system. So under each one you can add, and when you add there, it's supposed to update. You add here. Okay, it's going to load whichever one has been clicked, and then we'll be able to add it to our cart, and then we can pay. So we have regular for Boxing Day, we have table for 10, which is for 1 million or no, and then we have VIP, which is 100k. So this is regular, and this is what it looks like. So I add regular to cart, and right here it will give me a pop-up message that says it was successful. Okay, and again this is kind of a little bit draggy. Yeah, regular has been added to your cart, and now we have over here saying one item. So if I go to view cart, let's see what happens. Okay, this feature, I don't think we tested this yet, but right here we can see these are other posts also. These are actually just images. I think we still want to add and all. Just like for advertising, you have a calendar, you can search. So these are just okay. Then stuff about other pages on your site. We actually just made this look like a social media, site. You have people logging in, logging out. You can view members, add accounts, but we'll look at those features later. So let's go back to here. Have Okay, we have our card totals. Okay, you can apply a coupon, but we'll get to that later. For example, people who won extra, I mean extra, or people who just got lucky because they did something via social media, or they engaged in one of your quests or one of your polls or something, or they reposted, or they got a lot of likes and all those things. So all those people could get coupon codes that could reduce their prices for tickets or just get them free, but we'll look into that later. So we proceed to checkout, and this brings us to a checkout page. So with this, people can literally buy their tickets on your site. Okay, now this is it. Then you go to your billing details, and it's all customized. It's looking like Stand Up Nigeria. First name, last name, company name, address, blah blah blah, and then we all proceed. Place order. Yeah, when you place order without filling in some things, it shouldn't work. But if this is a demo, yes, so it gives up this error, so it's quite secure. Everything has been set, and then when everything has been filled in, it takes us to where you can put in your card details and you execute the sale. So okay, I think our post a joke has opened up. Okay, and now this is what it tells us: please log in to submit content. So I haven't logged into this, and so let me go on to register. So leave this checkout page and we'll go back to register. So once I register as a user, I have the ability to post, and it also helps to restrict some content, okay, to make it a special feature that to get people to sign up on your website, because you'll be getting a lot of information via people's emails, and you'll be able to send out, instead of having to run campaigns over and over and over again. When people register on your site, you have their email addresses. You just send them one email to like 1,500 people, and at a go you've informed them about any changes or any new event or anything you like to share about. It's a direct way. Your emailing list is very, very important. That's one of the reasons why people are advised to always run things on their website. So this is me. I'll be signing up now as John, my surname Akin. Voila. Moving on. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, my first name is also John. My last name will be Akinola, and my email will be um, John at quinta.com.ng. That's the name of the company. And password, let's go. Okay, and right here again. Oh, I think I got it wrong. Okay, two showing red means that I got my password wrong, so let me try again. Okay, try here again. Yes, we have it green. So I register, and let's see what happens as it loads. Okay, we're making progress, and it's supposed to give me a message. Oh, my name is taken already, so let me write John JJ and see what happens. And I register. Oh, I have to put in my password all over again. It'll ask me for password. Let me just use standard Nigeria's password. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, password. Let's just use anything simple. Say, let me just use the same password again. Okay, and then I'll try it here again and see what it says. Yes, so I guess now I shouldn't get any error. It should be working perfectly. Sign up, sign up, oh, sign up. Okay, it's taking quite a while. Alright, so I have successfully signed up, and then I moved over to my account, and then I went to members, which is where I am, and I'm seeing myself in two places because I had registered before. And this is a template. Okay, this is Stand Up Nigeria. This is the admin, and this was the first account I created, and this is me. So without me changing my picture, this will be the template, and then there could be a lot of more content added, like your name, phone number, and all those things. So we have something that looks like a social media network, because you can see other users that are coming and all. And it's a great one because having people communicate, you can even reset password. We've not really done much work with membership and all, but that will be features we can easily work with. um okay, So we still want to check back at this posting a joke, but okay, yes, it tells me that this is how my account looks like. Hello John Akinola. Okay, from your dashboard you can now view and manage shipping and billing XYZ. Very good. And see, this personalizes my account. I feel like yes, this is something I would like to to have handled. I can always come back, log in, check my card. Oh, I hadn't paid for this ticket and just pay. Or oh, I want to pay for like 5 people. I just come back, log in, and I see my card here. Here it says one item. I can add like two more, three more, and yes, it just goes to make everything more conducive and easy. Okay, and like I said, this is still a demo feature. We haven't really styled this page yet. This is saying post a joke, and this is where we are. It says your jokes here. So let me post a joke about let me say um Bumi Bumi Davis. Okay, and then category has been picked already as jokes, and then let's just say why always on a hat. you know um are are we trying to cover, that's a mistake, cover the wind of recession. Recession, just something funny that I'll just put up there. No, I don't advise anyone to joke this kind of joke. But let's just submit and see what happens. And so we move back to comedy and let's just open this in another tab and let's check out what the jokes look like. Okay, you see some of my previous jokes also. So this is just something to like engage users. So let's see if that post was put up. So this is the jokes page, and to show us all the jokes that have been posted so far. So this is it. Bumi Davis, why always a hat on? Are we trying to cover the wind of recession? This one says NEPA, when NEPA gives you light for 3 days straight, our house is always noisy by 7 p.m. because we still put on the gen. You can't trust them. So these are all just sample jokes that people can just post, engage, they can also post pictures and all. We've not added video functionality yet, because we don't want the site to be very heavy. And yeah, right here people can search. We have very animated search feature. Cancel it and then it pops back up. So here we have home, blog, comedy, events, tickets, and people can manage their accounts. So under comedy we have videos, post a joke and jokes. Then the social media links, we've not fixed them yet. I'm not sure about this. Yes, and concerning this address, we can get you this address for free of charge. We can have Bumi at standupnigeria.com. We can have everybody who works for Stand Up Nigeria at standupnigeria.com, all for free. And then we'll also be helping you with some of your content and then adding extra features to your site. So thank you for staying through this. I would really like to work with you on this project, and this took us about 16 hours to get this all done. And yeah, it looks like simple work and all because it's all done, but we would really love to work with you, and just contact us via the email that will pop up right now. So this is how you can contact us. We have www.quinsa.com.ng. You can view contact is there also. John at quinsa.com.ng. That's me, and that's my number if you like to contact any of us. So send us a message, send us an email. We're open 24/7 to receive you. Thank you so much for working through this with us, and we hope you had a nice time. So let's just take 1 second back at your site again before we say a big bye bye. So yeah, this is and could be Stand Up Nigeria online, and we look forward to working with you. if it all works out well. And thank you very much for everything. Thank you, and I'll see you when we see. Thank you, stand up, and a great job everyone is doing at Stand Up Nigeria, because we've been enjoying a lot of the comedies, and I cannot wait. We cannot wait to be a part of this. Thank you so much, and God bless you.